Okay, I've cut out 2 round blocks. We want to make these bigger. I want to make this, didn't like it being quite so thin. So you can see you can always change what you're doing in the process. If there's something you don't like the way it's looking, you still have chances you can change things. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. So it's oversized, so when we cut it down, it won't be that much. So we're going to put a staple right here in the middle. That'll hold it still for us so we can put our clamp on. So we'll do the same to this side. That's just to hold it so when we clamp it, it doesn't slide around on us too much. And don't over tighten your clamp, just squeeze all the glue out. And we'll let that set and dry, and then we can come back and start shaping our cheeks. But I think it's going to look better with bigger cheeks on him. Okay, thanks for watching.